This 2025 Pleasureway Plateau XLRB STD model is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Pleasureway is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features a bulk plat white MOK interior, sleeps 3, and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bedroom. This 2025 Pleasureway Plateau XLRB STD model is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.